Some people will promise forever, then disappear when life gets hard. Some will smile in your face while secretly breaking your heart behind your back. And when betrayal happens, the first thing most people want is revenge. But revenge doesn't heal you. Growth does. Silence does. Success does. Because the moment you stop begging for love, the moment you start choosing yourself, that's when the regret begins to haunt them. This is not about hurting them back. This is about becoming so strong, so focused, and so valuable that losing you becomes the biggest mistake of their life. After heartbreak, most people make the same painful mistake. They start chasing the person who hurt them. They send long messages trying to explain their value. They beg for another chance. They replay every memory in their mind, hoping the relationship can still be saved. But the truth is, when someone cheats on you or willingly breaks your heart, they already made a decision to risk losing you. Running after them only damages your self-respect even more. A person who truly values you will never force you to compete for their attention, loyalty, or love. The moment you start begging someone to stay faithless, or the relationship has already lost its foundation. Love should never feel like a battle for basic respect. And the more you chase someone who betrayed you, the more power you hand over to them emotionally. Walking away is difficult because your emotions want answers, comfort, and closure. But strength is not always loud. Sometimes strength is choosing silence instead of another argument. Sometimes strength is refusing to text back. Sometimes strength is accepting that not everyone deserves access to your heart forever. People often think chasing proves love, but in reality, it usually proves fear of being alone, fear of starting over, fear of accepting the truth. But the moment you stop chasing, something powerful happens. You begin to see your worth clearly again. Your energy returns. Your confidence slowly rebuilds. And the person who thought they could replace you easily starts realizing your absence feels heavier than they expected. Never beg someone to choose you. The right people will never put themselves in a position to lose you. Preserve your dignity, protect your peace, and remember that your value does not decrease because someone failed to appreciate it. It changes people. For some, it destroys confidence, drains motivation, and leaves emotional scars that last for years. But for others, pain becomes the turning point that transforms their entire life. The difference is not the heartbreak itself, the difference is what you choose to do with it. When someone cheats on you or breaks your heart, you have two choices. You can sit in sadness and allow the betrayal to define your future, or you can use that pain as fuel to become stronger than ever before. Many successful people were built in seasons of rejection, loneliness, and disappointment. Pain has a strange way of revealing strength you never knew you had. Instead of wasting your energy crying over someone who disrespected you, redirect that energy toward yourself. Improve your body, improve your mindset, build your goals. Start waking up with purpose. Spend time learning new skills, fixing your finances, and becoming emotionally stronger. Every hour spent improving yourself is an hour spent taking your power back. The people who hurt you often expect you to stay broken. They expect you to keep checking their social media, talking about them, and emotionally depending on their attention. But when they see you becoming happier, more disciplined, and more focused without them, that is when regret quietly begins to grow inside them. Success after heartbreak is powerful because it proves that your life did not end when they left. It proves that your value was never connected to their approval. The gym becomes therapy. Discipline becomes healing. Growth becomes revenge without saying a single word. Do not allow betrayal to turn you bitter. Let it turn you better. Some people enter your life to love you while others enter your life to teach you how strong you truly are. Use the disappointment as motivation to create a version of yourself that no longer settles for disrespect, dishonesty, or half-hearted love. One of the hardest things after heartbreak is accepting that you may never receive the apology, explanation, or closure you deserve. Many people stay emotionally trapped because they keep waiting for the person who hurt them to finally admit their mistakes. They replay conversations in their mind, hoping one more discussion will fix the pain or give them peace. But the truth is, closure rarely comes from the person who broke you. Some people know about culturally how badly they hurt you and still choose to protect their ego instead of taking responsibility. They may blame you, avoid the conversation, or pretend the relationship meant less than it actually did. And every time you return looking for answers, you reopen the same emotional wound again and again. The painful reality is that actions are already an answer. Cheating is an answer. Disrespect is an answer. Emotional neglect is an answer. When someone repeatedly hurts you, they are revealing the truth about their priorities and character. You do not need another long conversation to understand what their behavior already showed you clearly. Real healing begins when you stop searching for peace in the same place that caused your pain. Closure is not waiting for them to finally understand your worth. Closure is understanding your own worth without needing their validation. It is accepting that not everyone will give you the honesty, accountability, or love you deserved. Sometimes people apologize years later, but by then the damage has already changed everything. Waiting for that moment only delays your healing. The strongest thing you can do is stop expecting understanding from. Or someone who lacked empathy when it mattered most. You do not need their permission to move on. You do not need their apology to rebuild your confidence. The moment you accept the truth, release the attachment, and focus on your own growth, their control over your emotions begins to disappear. That is when true freedom starts, not when they finally explain themselves, but when you no longer need them to. After heartbreak, many people feel the need to prove they are doing better. They post emotional quotes, fake smiles, or constant updates, hoping the person who hurt them will notice their pain or regret their actions. But real healing does not need an audience. True growth happens quietly behind closed doors when nobody is clapping for you. The most powerful comeback is silence, not silence filled with anger, but silence filled with focus. When you stop reacting, stop explaining, and stop chasing attention, something changes inside you. Your energy returns to where it belongs yourself. Instead of wasting time watching their life, you begin rebuilding your own. People who break your heart often expect you to remain emotionally attached to them. They expect late night messages or emotional reactions and endless chances. They expect you to stay available no matter how badly they treated you. But when you suddenly become distant, calm, and focused on your own life, it confuses them. Silence creates questions that arguments never can. Healing in silence means working on yourself without needing validation from the world. It means improving your mindset, your habits, your confidence, and your future without announcing every step online. You do not need to show everyone your progress. Let your transformation speak for itself. There is something powerful about disappearing for a while and returning stronger, wiser, and more peaceful. Not bitter, not angry, just different. The people who underestimated you begin to realize they no longer have access to the same version of you they once took for granted. Sometimes the greatest revenge is becoming unrecognizable in the best possible way. Not because you wanted revenge, but because pain forced you to grow. While they expected you to stay broken, you rebuilt yourself quietly. While they expected weakness, you developed strength. Silence is not weakness. Silence is control. And when your life begins improving with, or without their presence, that is when they finally understand what they lost. Being betrayed by someone you love can change the way you see people. It can make you question your judgment, your value, and even your ability to trust again. After getting hurt, many people build emotional walls so high that nobody can get close to them anymore. They convince themselves that love is fake, loyalty does not exist, and every relationship ends in pain. But allowing one painful experience to harden your heart completely only creates a different kind of suffering. Pain should teach you wisdom, not turn you cold. There is an important difference between becoming smarter and becoming bitter. A bitter person carries anger into every new connection. A wiser person carries lessons. One heartbreak should not define your future or destroy your ability to love genuinely. Not everyone you meet will betray you the way that person did. Some people are honest, loyal, and capable of protecting your heart the right way. The key is learning from the experience without losing the best parts of yourself. Learn to recognize red flags earlier. Pay attention to actions instead of empty promises. Stop ignoring dear. Or is respect just because you are emotionally attached? Understand that love should bring peace, not constant confusion, anxiety, or emotional exhaustion. Many people stay in unhealthy situations because they fear being alone. They tolerate lies, inconsistency, and disrespect, hoping things will eventually improve. But heartbreak teaches you the importance of standards. It teaches you that protecting your peace is more important than forcing a connection with someone who continuously hurts you. Do not feel ashamed for loving deeply. Loving sincerely is not weakness. The wrong person may fail to value it, but the right person will appreciate it completely. Your kindness, loyalty, and emotional depth are still strengths. They simply need to be given to people who deserve them. The goal after heartbreak is not to stop loving. The goal is to love with greater wisdom, stronger boundaries, and deeper self-respect. Because once you truly know your worth, you stop settling for relationships that require you to abandon yourself just to keep someone else. The greatest mistake people make after heartbreak is believing they must prove their worth to the person who hurt them. They try to make T or him jealous, compete for attention, or force them to regret leaving. But real power does not come from chasing validation. Real power comes from becoming the best version of yourself for your own future, not for someone who failed to appreciate you. The ultimate goal is to become someone they can never replace. There are people who move through life carelessly, believing they will always find someone better. They take loyalty for granted. They ignore genuine love because they assume it will always be there waiting for them. But over time, reality teaches them something painful. Real loyalty is rare. Genuine support is rare. Honest love is rare. When you focus on improving yourself instead of obsessing over revenge, your entire life begins to change. Your confidence grows stronger. Your mindset becomes sharper. Your standards rise. You stop accepting bare minimum treatment because you finally understand your value. You begin carrying yourself differently, speaking differently, and protecting your peace more seriously. And the truth is, people notice transformation, especially the ones who underestimated you. One day, the person who broke your heart may look at your life and realize you became stronger without them. They may see your discipline, your success, your happiness, and your emotional growth, and suddenly understand what they lost. By then, your healing journey will have already changed you. You will no longer crave their approval because you built a life that no longer depends on their presence. Becoming unforgettable is not about money, appearance, or status alone. It is about energy. It is about becoming emotionally mature, mentally strong, and deeply connected to your purpose. People can replace attention easily, but they struggle to replace someone who brought genuine love, peace, loyalty, and strength into their life. Do not waste years trying to make someone regret hurting you. Spend that time becoming someone who no longer needs validation from anyone who once caused you pain. That is the level of growth that truly changes everything.